Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the left-handed layout in Lumafusion. In order to do so, first off, if you are in Lumafusion and you have an open project, then what you're looking for is at the bottom right hand corner, you'll see the three options here. You're looking for the first of the three options, and if you click on that, then you'll get this submenu that will open up. From here, if you want to flip the settings here, your layout, then you can select, if you look here at the top, just select the one just to the right of that, and you'll see that now your image will flip, your settings will flip, your layout will flip, and you can use it in left-handed mode instead. You have other options here that you can also use as well. If you prefer putting it in either of those layouts, then you can do that as well. But this is very handy if you want to change your layout and you have a certain preference for how things are laid out, then you can do that here. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.